Ever wondered how AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini, actually understands what you're saying? And then how does it write back a perfect, human like response from scratch? It's not just one magic trick. It's actually a powerful team effort between two key parts of AI. Think of it like this: NLP is the expert translator, and generative AI is the creative author. You need both to get a great result. First, let's talk about natural language processing, or NLP. This is the understanding part. When you type a prompt, NLP's job is to read it and figure out what you really mean. It's the translator. It breaks down your grammar, identifies the key topics and names, and most importantly, it figures out the intent and context of your request. But understanding is only half the battle. Once the AI knows what you want, it needs to make the answer. That's where generative AI comes in. This is the creation part. If NLP is the translator, generative AI is the author. It takes the instructions from NLP and starts to generate a completely new, original piece of content. It doesn't have a library of pre written answers. It literally predicts the next best word, and the word after that, and the word after that, to build a perfect, coherent response that matches your request. Let's use a real example to make this super clear. Let's say you give an AI this prompt. Okay, let's see the team at work. First, NLP reads that prompt. It's like a project manager breaking down a brief. It identifies all the key pieces: the task, summarize; the subject, the main plot of Romeo and Juliet; constraint number one, in 3 sentences; and constraint number two, in a funny tone. NLP now has a perfect set of instructions. It hands this brief over to its partner, generative AI. Now, generative AI gets to work. It accesses its vast knowledge about Romeo and Juliet, the feuding families, the love, the bad plans, the tragic ending. But it filters all that information through the funny tone and 3 sentence rules. It starts writing word by word to create something new that fits all those rules. And that's how you get a brand new, original answer like this. See? That wasn't copied from anywhere. It was generated. So, to sum it all up, natural language processing is the AI that understands your language. And generative AI is the AI that creates new content based on that understanding. It's this powerful partnership that lets you have complex, creative, and natural conversations with AI. If this video helped you understand the tech just a little bit better, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex tech. Thanks for watching.